Yeah, hello everyone, this is Jagtar Shirgal from the School of Gratitude. Today I'm going to introduce one of the very successful businesswomen, Karine from Switzerland. She has very good business idea like in this pandemic and from the last 6 months almost. A lot of people are working from home or some people lost their jobs and there's a lot of new opportunities coming up working from home or your own boss but we will learn more from her how she is successful and how you can be successful with her idea. I know her from time, and she traveled the world, Canada and US and UK, Germany, Switzerland, and so many other countries. So let's hear from Karine about herself and then about the business idea. So Karine, thank you very much for coming here on my channel. It's at the School of Gratitude. So I know you from a long time, but tell me and my viewers about yourself and how you doing and where you from and what's the business idea you have.
Yeah, well, thank you for having me on. It's great. It's always great to meet you again. And I love to speak about these opportunities. So each time I can, I love to share. It changed my life. So
Mhm.
obviously, I want to share to as many people as I can because I know it can and it will change your life if you apply it. Now, if I tell you just a little bit about me first,
Mhm.
I'm from Switzerland and I speak French. That's my first language. But I've always loved languages. I love words and I've always wanted to connect with people. So I thought learning English was a good idea. And that's why I went to university and I learned English and psychology to really be able to understand people. When I finished, though, I didn't really know what to do with the background that I had or with the tools that I had, and I ended up just working in an office, normal job, nothing really inspiring. It was just to pay the bills. And I did that for about 3 years, where I started to really understand what working means. And when you're a student, you don't really understand what it means to be part of the working area and how it really works in the normal life, quote unquote, in society. And so then after 3 years, I realized that was going to be my whole entire life. It was not going to change. It was always going to be like that, day in, day out. Go to work, um, have lunch, eat food, go back home, sleep, and start over again the next day. And it didn't sound very interesting. I didn't like the idea. It wasn't inspiring. So I knew I had to do something different. I'm really big on freedom. I don't believe people should be limited in a job, like feeling like they're in a box. So when I started to feel really frustrated, going nowhere, looking around, seeing my colleagues not really where they wanted to be 10 years after they started this job, I knew I had to leave. And
Mhm.
that's when I started to look for options and opportunities. And I first really came across Bob Proctor, which we both know, whose story is just so inspiring. He completely shifted it, reading books and understanding who he was and then making different decisions. So
Mhm.
I wanted to know what he knew. I started studying with him, and that led me to discover the business that I have today. I was really blessed with the opportunity because it's with his wife, Linda Proctor. And she's a master in what she's doing. She's been doing this for 26 years. So knowing I could work with her and have also Bob Proctor as a mentor, I didn't really hesitate. I know it's not about what you do, but who you're doing it with. And I was just ready to learn. I was ready to change, and I was ready to do anything that was going to get me where I wanted to be, which mainly was freedom and abundance. I think freedom, abundance, and happiness, everybody should have that in their lives. I don't believe God put us on earth to work all the time and be frustrated, which unfortunately is what 96% of the people do. They struggle all the time. And I didn't want to struggle. I thought I could also be an example. And if I succeeded, then people might follow my path and start really understanding who they were. So I believe, especially here where I live, I know in the US or in Canada it might be a bit more advanced, but here people have no idea. They don't really care about who they are and where they're going in life and understanding themselves. Personal development is still a bit, we still have progress to do, a lot more. So I know I can be an example in that, and really want to be one. Now, in terms of the business itself and what we really do, as you said, it's a business from home, which I think is amazing nowadays. We never know what's going to happen again. We've had this global situation happening, and everybody was kind of stuck at home. So if you can work from home, at least you're safe on that level, and you're responsible for your income. So you're not put in, in a bad position, or you don't have to be scared. And I think we need now to make those type of decisions where we can be responsible for our own lives, where we can decide what we earn, how we earn, and what we do with our lives. It's going more and more in that direction. Jobs are disappearing, the money is disappearing, social security is disappearing, everything is disappearing. So we need to be responsible. So what we do is very simple. It's called network marketing. A lot of people have heard of it, have tried it, left it because they were not successful at it. There's many, many stories around it. And unfortunately, I think a lot of people ignore what it really is. And when we ignore something, we tend to criticize it. That's why I'm actually passionate about educating people on marketing. Because if you know what it is, then at least you can make a decision that is based on the truth, on the knowledge, on the facts. And network marketing is simple. You basically build a network of consumers. We all are already part of networks, and we all already are consumers. So if you can actually use that to earn an income, I think it's smart, because that's something we already do. Basically, we just promote a network, we promote a product, we make it move through this network, we just speak about it, we share an idea. And by sharing an idea, people might join because it will help them. It changed my life because I understood I could actually earn a residual income, which is what most people never achieve, and what gives you the freedom and the prosperity that everybody should have in their lives. And so that's why I think everybody should be part of it. If you think about it, everybody already promotes something in their lives. We all promote and share ideas, no matter what it is. It might be just a good restaurant. It might be, I don't know, a cream that we like, a food that we like. We all do that. So people ignore what network marketing and criticize it, but they do the things that are part of it. They are promoting, they are sharing, and they are helping brands getting bigger, but they're not rewarded for that. So network marketing just changed that. It's just a conscious action where you get rewarded for the promotion and the sharing. So I think it's a smart idea, and everybody can do it because we are already doing it. So I hope more people will see the benefits and join something, because obviously you also become a consumer, and usually the products are really good. Our company is really good. The products are really amazing, and we help thousands, millions of people improve their health. And we all know that health is wealth. So in the end, everything is connected. And that's what I love about network marketing. I'm really passionate about the industry.
Now
So yeah, that's about it.
love the product. Actually, I'm using it like those protein bars and other things. It's wonderful. It's helping me a lot, honestly, and I'm enjoying it. And I really like, like you and I both went to Bob Proctor coaching, and it's wonderful how I explain that the abundance out there, right? And just have to focus what you want, and you can get it, right? And this network marketing is really another focus. A lot of people have walls that, or they can get through it, or they cannot start, right? That's what you said. Like 96% of people fail, and 4% who go through and go through that wall and they succeed, right? And
Yeah.
that's wonderful. So uh, how people can start it with this network marketing? A lot of people are watching around the world with YouTube, and they want to know how they can make money while sitting at home. Like people I talked to, I went to one dinner party a week ago, and I said, how's work? And they said, yeah, they're going to work, but they tell the stories. Almost three people I talked to in the party. In their company, almost 50% people or more lost their jobs or layoff, and or either senior positions who are making much money, they cut down and they hire people with less money. So really, people are changing and finding ways to make their ends meet, and still expenses are there. They still want to have the same lifestyle or improve it, while because of pandemic, a lot of things change. And
Yeah. And it's only the beginning. It's only the beginning. I was reading how 800 million people would lose their jobs through automation. So it's not going to end here. People really need now to think differently and make different decisions. So to answer your question, how to start, very simple. It's so simple to start. And I think it's also what creates this negativity around network marketing, or the fact that people don't succeed and just leave, because it's so cheap to get started and so simple to get started that sometimes people don't take it seriously. And if you do, there's no limit. You can earn as much as you want. So to get started, basically, just like I did, you just buy some products. You buy some products, you use them, and you use them regularly to see what you feel. Because everything we do is share with people, so we just have to be a product of the product. So buy some products, and that opens your business. Pretty much that's what it is. You get the website, you get everything sorted out. The company is working for you as well. They're taking care of the logistics, improving every week, always working on helping you in a better way. So all you have to do when you've done, the purchase is to speak about it. Very simple.
Yeah, no, that's wonderful. Like people don't have to worry about building the website or anything like that. Just have to become a member, and the company do everything for them for the website.
Exactly, and then share the idea that you joined because you saw the potential. Because if you think it's going to help you, and if you see the potential for you, then what about the others? It's going to be the same, because we're all human beings. We have similar goals, similar dreams, desires, and needs. So in the end, it's always going to be around income and around freedom and happiness and around family and having time. It's always going to be the same story. We just paint it differently with our words, but essentially it's the same. So if you're willing to help others, then everything is possible. The minute you understand that if you help people have what they want, you have what you want, you win in this life.
Yeah, that's true. Like, like a few months ago, like I think it was in February, like when you, March, first week of March, when
It was March, yeah.
In Markham, Canada, like I seen with firsthand that it's not for people. Some people said, "Oh, I have a job. It's not for me." Maybe somebody who's looking for a job or somebody who's struggling. But when I was at that seminar, people from all around the world were there, Italy and Germany and other country, Australia, and I see that it's not just people who are struggling with jobs. There were people who quit their big jobs, like corporate jobs, and started this business, and they are successful, and they are enjoying more freedom and money. So that's wonderful about your business, like how people are. Once you know it, doesn't matter which business you are or which job you are, you want to try it, and it's totally different. Change your life, right?
Absolutely, it changed mine. I mean, we have people joining us because, as you said, they were successful and they had a lot of money, and I'm speaking millions. They had no time. If you don't have time, you don't enjoy your life. So we need to find a way to combine income and time. And I think that's where most people struggle. I was struggling when I started my life, my career. I was working a lot and I had some income, but most of my time I was like, I want to be free, but I don't know how to earn income. So I was always choosing one over the other, and it just went for a while because I'm all about freedom. So I just couldn't have a job, and I needed a way to put things together. And I don't know anything else than network marketing that does its best, where it's a level playing field. That's the thing. Because other places you'll find ways to have the residual income and then have the time that you want, but it's not a level playing field, because you first need to have the income. For example, you need to invest money to get more money because it multiplies. And unless you have a way to join something where it's not a lot of money, then it's not equal to everybody. And that's what network marketing is. It just gives you the opportunity, and then you choose what you do with it.
So how you can satisfy those critics who just say that, oh, it's network marketing, I've been there, done that, maybe they have other things, they've done it, or some people say it's pyramid scheme. How you can explain to those people who are watching?
Yeah, well, I'm always happy to explain more in details when people are interested, but just to explain, I mean, pyramid scheme, it's just, again, it's lack of understanding. It's a misunderstanding of what network marketing is. They just didn't look into it enough, or someone didn't explain it the right way, because it's not a pyramid scheme. It looks like it. It's actually, we call it a tree. It has a binary structure in our company, But the thing is, when people usually use the word pyramid scheme, they mean that people at the top earn the most and everybody else doesn't at the bottom. But
Mhm.
actually, it's not true. If you are below someone, quote unquote, it's just because you joined later at a later time. So you're chronologically in their structure, but they're not stopping you from earning as much as you want.
Mhm.
You can do as they did. Linda Proctor said she joined just the way I did with products, and then she decided to build something strong and big and to the millions she wanted. Nobody is stopping you to do that, and actually, it benefits everyone the more you're doing. So
No.
it's not a pyramid scheme. The pyramid scheme is a job, because in a job you have a certain position. You cannot move out of your position. You'll never earn more. And usually your director or chief or boss, however you want to call him, he's not going to come and say, okay, how do we make you move up? How do we help you get more income? They
Mhm.
don't care. You are where you are, and that's the way it is. So the structure and the hierarchy is really set up in jobs. So pyramids are more in the job sector, not in network marketing. Network marketing is all about freedom. Now you have to work for it, yes, but it's all on your shoulders. It's up to you.
Yeah, like in jobs, like we create good employees and there's managers there, and but here we create leaders, right? We want them to be leader and succeed and go
Exactly.
to the higher levels. Yeah, I was convinced
Yeah.
like about Linda Proctor, who is our main leader in our group. So like I'm an insurance broker, like I have a team, just like people can say this is pyramid, like I'm helping them, but I'm helping them to grow and become leaders. And same thing, Linda, she was also in insurance and was very successful. And it was not like she was just having a job, she was making millions of dollars. And now after that, she joined this and built a whole set of new leaders in a different field
Exactly.
of marketing. So
Yeah.
that's why I try to show to the viewer and from your perspective, like how it's different, like why create walls of like, oh, this network marketing or this pyramid, or even in my business, insurance, some people say, oh, insurance, some people just don't want to start it. Why? When people are making millions. And same thing in this new opportunity where people can choose their own hours, work from home, and they don't have to go open up their shop to sell something or buy a warehouse. And warehouse is out there. All you have to get it, get the order and get new people,
Exactly.
right? Yeah,
Yeah.
no,
Absolutely.
that's wonderful. Anything else, Kareen, you want to add it to it? What I haven't covered yet?
I don't think so. In the on that aspect, no, I don't think so. I just hope people will look into it
Mhm,
and ask themselves the question first: what do I really want?
mhm,
It's not enough people ask themselves this question and they just content with what they have.
mhm.
And that's again that's a problem of knowledge or understanding of what we can accomplish and who we are. So I just encourage everybody to really stop and think for a moment about what you really want. Who do you really want to be? And then find a way to get there. Network marketing is one of the best ways to have everything you want. But obviously, if you don't ask yourself the question first, you're never going to get anywhere.
So you mean you are telling that you should have a discussion with yourself first, what do you want, rather than asking your neighbor or coworker or other family member, and first have discussion
Yeah.
with you what you want in life, like you want freedom.
Yeah. And be honest with yourself. You can write it in your, you can write it in your small uh, notebook. You don't have to share with anybody, but at least know what you want, and then do it. Because many people will be like, yeah, that's what I would like, but it's not going to happen. They don't even get started on the goal, or it remains a, wishful thinking. Make it happen.
Yeah, like
Go out there and do it.
a lot of people, they know what they want, but then they also considering the other factors, their environment or their
Yeah,
job, family, they say, I want it, but when they say but, then they stop, right? Then
exactly.
then they hide their inner feelings or what they want. I think this is really discussion with yourself. Like that's what I learned from Bob Proctor and Linda Proctor. That always he asked that, "What do you want?" Right? And
Yeah,
once you know what you want, you'll get it. Right? It's
yeah,
just like a black magic. So
absolutely.
yeah, and a lot of
Yeah,
people successful, like who were never thought that they will achieve something. Now they are very, very successful, right? So,
absolutely.
so Kareen, how people can contact you or who are listening and want to join and
You find me on Instagram, on on most social media. Facebook or Instagram is the easiest way to connect with me. That's I think you see my name and last name here now. Um,
Karine Antler, right?
yeah, that's the way to find me. I think the easiest is Facebook probably because I'm always on there. And if you just reach out to me and say I'm interested in knowing more, I'll take the time to explain.
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you very much, Karine, for taking the time and giving this new information to the viewers who need it most at this time to look for different opportunities and work differently. Because I believe that, and you know from the history, that a lot of people became millionaire when there was tough times than in good
Yeah.
times. Because people force themselves to search for new opportunities and open their mindset. And this is the opportunity, if you think in positive way, to get some new insights and new ideas. And Karine is here to help you. And you can call me or contact me also. But we can all want everybody to help grow and succeed in their life. It's a win-win situation. So thank you, Karine, for coming.
Sure. My pleasure. Thank you so much.
Thank you, viewers, for watching. And we will bring some more videos next time. And until then, I'll say goodbye. God bless you and be safe. Thanks.
Thank you.